All right. So this one right here gives us a scenario for probability. Okay, a scenario for probability. So we're going to go through as the word problem issue, and we're going to, first identify the question, which is the last sentence of the passage. And there it is. What are the chances if you pull a red marble? So the red marble is important information. It has not a number, but it has a color and a unit of measure, marble. And then, without putting it back in the bag, a green marble. So, logically, we know that if I pull one out, the total number of marbles in the bag is going to go down. Okay, so let's find the probability of others. So I go back up and I circle numbers. And inside of there, I have a 4, a 3, and a 2. All right? 4 is associated with blue, and it's also marbles, so therefore the unit of measure is the same, marble and marble. And then I have red, marbles, which is the same unit of measure, and I have green, marbles, which is the same unit of measure. And so therefore that is established from my word problem. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to find probabilities. So first of all, we got to have a total. How many total marbles do we have?
9.
There it is. There it is. 9 marbles. Okay? And then when we start talking probability, probability for the first event is what am I going to do? How many marbles am I pulling out in the first event?
1.
1 marble. And what do I know about that 1 marble?
It's red.
So what are the possible red marbles in the bag? 3. Huh?
Well, 2 when you take 1 out.
But there are how many that I have an opportunity of grabbing that are red?
3.
3 of them. So that would be a 3 red marbles out of the bag. And so therefore that would be the probability of 3 over 9, or for event 1, 1/3. Do you agree with that? And then event 2, this event 1, for event 2, did the total number of marbles change?
Yes.
It did. Why?
Because there's 1 missing.
There's 1 missing. And so this would now go from 9 marbles to 8 marbles. And how many possibilities do I have of pulling out a green marble?
2.
2 of them. All right? 2 of them. And so therefore, I have a 2 out of 8 chance, or a 1 out of 4 chance of pulling those out, correct?
Yes.
And so now, I'm doing these 2 events together, and I only have 1 answer over here. So what do you think I should do with these 2 things right here?
Add them together.
Well, I can't add them because they don't have a what? Common denominator. So everything that we dealt with the counting principle was multiplication, correct?
Yes.
And so therefore, I'm going to take 1 over 3, multiply that to 1 over 4, and I'm going to get,
The butterfly.
please tell me 2 over 12. Please tell me that. Please tell me that. It's not. It's not, because it is 1 times 1, which is 1, and 4 times 3, which is 12, and so therefore, there's my solution.
Why did you tell me to say that?
Because I wanted to be able to correct the mistake.